Welcome back to part 2 of installing Linux on the Windows subsystem. After you install the PowerShell feature, you have to reboot. So I've rebooted and I'm now launched Kali Linux, however you want to pronounce it, from the recently added apps from the App Store. You can go with whatever version you want to go with. That's available: Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, or the Enterprise Server one. After I launched it, it basically has been sitting like this for about 3 minutes. It's currently installing. So as soon as it has done its installation, we should be able to start working with Linux. Now, I also have a full-blown Kali Linux virtual machine, which I obviously compare to this one to see what the differences are. But it is nice that you can now run Linux within Windows. While we wait for that, let's go check this activated. You can see now this option which we spoke about previously in the, I think, 19603 build, that you had the Linux option. As you can see now, obviously I don't have anything in here yet, but here's the actual Linux folder now, and once it's installed I'll be able to see everything in here from within Windows Explorer. So this is going to be a short video. I'm going to stop it for now, and then once it's finished doing its installation, I'll come back and we'll carry on. Thank you very much for watching.